You know what they say, another ding, another dollar. Another day, another ding, another dollar. Thanks for tuning back in, guys. Gotta say, I was very surprised, and I was pretty stoked when I saw how much traffic and new subscribers and all that stuff kind of came pouring in over these last two videos. That is awesome. Got a ton of comments, and that gave me the idea that we should highlight some of them. So we're gonna do the comment of the video or comment of the week section. This week goes out to John Graves. John, thank you for taking the time out of your busy day to leave this helpful comment. And for those that don't know, John's referring to me promoting the app that I created called the Rogue Wave Surfboard Repair app. You can get quotes, pay through your phone, and then see a list of partner shops where you can drop your board off and get it fixed. So anyway, enough of that. We'll get back to the video, and just a big thanks again to everyone checking these videos out. And as always, if you have any questions or comments, leave them below. Maybe you'll make the next video's comment of the week. All right.